Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about the Medela Harmony Breast Pump. If you're thinking about buying one, if you have one and having issues, I am going to be covering features that I like, why I recommend having a manual breast pump. If you watch until the end, I'll share a little hack to increase suction and also the right way to assemble the Medela Harmony Breast Pump. So if you want to learn more, let's dive in. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gines. I'm an IBCLC lactation consultant, a registered nurse, and the founder of Prenatal Yini. So feel free to look around my channel for other helpful tips and consider subscribing. I also have links in the description down below to free resources, products that I recommend, and if you wanted a private lactation consult, I also have my link in the description down below. So the Medela Harmony Breast Pump is a single breast pump, a single manual breast pump that is designed for occasional use. Okay, what I like about the Medela Harmony is that it's very simple to assemble. It's very light, it's very portable, it fits anywhere. I like it as a backup to your electric breast pump. Let's say if you're working and you have and you're pumping at work, it's good to have a manual pump just in case you forget any of your parts at home, or your electric pump stops working. You could use your manual pump. This is very easy to just carry with you, so you could pump on the go if you're traveling, if you're gonna be away from baby. Also, if there's a power outage and you don't have electricity, it's really convenient and important to have a manual breast pump just in case. For some moms, this is all they need, a manual pump. Some moms react better to a manual pump versus an electric breast pump. Okay, so some moms, they will use the Medela Harmony, and if they don't have baby with them, they'll just use the Haka on the other side to express from both breasts. Okay, so in the kit, what comes in the kit is the following. You have the handle, you have a breast shield. Medela now makes the personal fit flex flange. They claim to be more comfortable and to get more milk. It comes with 2 milk containers, the pump body and the membrane and the valve. Okay, they also include a set of replacements for the membranes. It comes with a stand to prevent spills. It comes with 2 caps and an artificial nipple with a cap. Okay, in terms of the valves and the membranes, something that's very important is to know when to replace these. If the membrane stays lifted and not just resting on top of the valve, it's time to replace it. Okay, so every time you see it like it's just not laying flat, it's time to be replaced. Okay, so before you use it for the first time, you know that you have to wash all the parts in warm soapy water and then sterilize it, either in boiling water for 10 minutes or you could use a steam bag. The only parts that you're not supposed, that Medela says that you're not supposed to include in the steam bags are these 2, the diaphragm and the stem. These parts are not recommended to be included, to be sterilized with the steam bags. You could sterilize them or all the parts in boiling water for 10 minutes. Okay, so after all of that is washed and sterilized, your hands are clean, then you could put together your kit. Okay, so we're going to start with the handle. So you're going to take the diaphragm and the stem with the O-ring. The O-ring rests right here on the tip. Okay, and it should look like that. And then you're going to place that. So we're going to align this piece with this silicone piece, the top. So like this, making sure everything is tightly connected. Okay, and then we're going to take the pump body, but first we're going to set the valve and the membrane, making sure that the membrane goes all the way through. Okay, all the way through. Everything needs to be connected tightly, because if not, that will affect suction. Now this is a very critical step. The valve should be laterally, should be facing sideways, not like this, not like this, but sideways, any side. Okay, so like this, making sure it's tight. Then we're going to screw the container and put the breast shield on, and then we're going to connect the handle to the pump. All right, and it should look like this. All right, and then you have your stand, and you could place it there like that. So in terms of rhythm, okay, the Harmony, the Medela Harmony has a 2-expression technology which mimics baby's suckling pattern. So what you want to do is, at the beginning, there's my breast model to show suction. At the beginning, you want to center your nipple in the tunnel, and you're going to start like this. Okay, for about 2 minutes, or until milk starts flowing. You're going to switch to the long handle after milk starts flowing. So you want to have a good rhythm, a rhythm that works for you. Okay, so you could do 1, 2, stop, 1, 2, stop, 1, 2, stop, 1, 2, stop. What I like about the handle, you could just move it. You could just move it around, whatever's more comfortable. 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. You don't want to just, you know, once milk starts flowing, you want to slow it down. You could do that here at the beginning. This is the stimulation, to stimulate a letdown. Once the letdown is stimulated and milk is flowing, then 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. Okay, so that's my recommendation, but you could just play with it and find a rhythm that works best for you. Okay, let me know in the comments. Another thing is, I like the Medela Harmony or manual pump for nipple eversion. If you need to evert your nipples before latching baby, this is a great way to do it as well. Use a manual pump to evert your nipple before latching baby, if that is something that you need to do. Okay, let me see. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Just know that you could wash all the parts, and you could boil all the parts to sterilize it once a day, and you want to wash it after every use. Okay, so a little hack that I wanted to share for the Medela Harmony Breast Pump is that some moms find that the silicone valves gives them more suction. So if you are looking for more suction and you have the Medela Harmony pump and you have these pieces, or you're willing to purchase them to try increase suction, you could try it. Okay, you could try that and use it like that. But I will first recommend just replacing the membranes, and that might increase suction for you. Okay, just to troubleshoot it, you could even call Medela and they will troubleshoot it with you. But the first thing I will do is I will replace the membranes, and if you have silicone valves, you could try it and see if they increase suction for you. So that's my little hack. And if you found value out of this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.